Hi everyone. So today we will learn how you can duplicate your code lines in VS Code. As you can see, I've already opened the VS Code editor and I got a JavaScript file here. In the JavaScript file, I got a couple of code lines. And if I want to duplicate this piece of code, I can simply select this code, press Ctrl C, then press Ctrl V. So I got a duplicate code here. So this is the standard way, but we are not going to follow this approach here. I will show you another way. That way is first select your code lines like this. Now depending upon your requirement, if you want to create a copy on the top or at the bottom, you need to press Alt in case you are on Windows. If you are on Mac, then press Option key, then Shift, then your down arrow key. So it will create a copy down here. If I want to create copy on the top, then I need to press up arrow key. So you just need to remember, whenever you want to duplicate your code lines, you need to press Alt plus Shift plus up arrow key or down arrow key. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.